Our next topic is division of fractions. Before going to division of fractions, just recall reciprocal of a fraction. The non-zero numbers whose product with each other is 1 are called reciprocals of each other. For example, 1 multiplied by 1 equal to 1. Therefore, the reciprocal of 1 is 1. Another example, 3 multiplied by 1 by 3 gives 1. So, the reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3 and the reciprocal of 1 by 3 is 3. Reciprocal of a fraction is obtained by interchanging the numerator and denominator of the given fraction. Reciprocal of 2 by 7 is 7 upon 2. Here in the question, denominator is 7 and numerator is 2. To get the reciprocal, we have to just interchange the numerator and denominator so that we are getting 7 upon 2. The reciprocal of 0 is not defined because 0 can be written as a fraction by keeping 1 as denominator as 0 upon 1. So the reciprocal will become 1 upon 0. Division by 0 is not defined, therefore the reciprocal of 0 is not defined. Division of fractions. While dividing fraction or a whole number by another fraction, we multiply the fraction or whole number with the reciprocal of that fraction. For example, 7 divided by 2 by 5. 7 can be written as 7 upon 1 divided by 2 upon 5. While dividing a fraction by a fraction, we can take the reciprocal of the second fraction. Here we can take the reciprocal of 2 by 5 and it multiply with the 7 upon 1. That is 7 upon 1 multiplied by 5 upon 2. Now you can directly multiply the numerators upon multiply the denominators. 7 into 5 upon 1 into 2, that gives 35 upon 2, which is an improper fraction. So convert into mixed fraction, we get 17 integer 1 upon 2. Next example, 5 divided by 3 integer 1 by 3. Here we have to convert the mixed fraction 3 integer 1 by 3 first. That is 5 can be written as 5 upon 1 divided by 10 upon 3. Our next step is take the reciprocal of 10 upon 3 and multiply it with 5 upon 1. That gives 5 upon 1 multiplied by reciprocal of 10 upon 3. That is 5 by 1 multiplied by 3 by 10 gives 3 upon 2. We can convert it into mixed fraction, that gives 1 integer 1. Next example, division of a fraction by a fraction. 8 upon 5 divided by 2 upon 3 equal to 8 upon 5 multiplied by reciprocal of 2 upon 3. What is the reciprocal of 2 upon 3? That is 3 upon 2. That gives 8 upon 5 multiplied by 3 upon 2 equal to 8 into 3 upon 5 into 2. After cancelling, we get 12 upon 5. While converting it into mixed fraction, we get 2 integer 2 upon 5. Next, we are starting with the exercise 2.4. Question number 1. Sixth subpart. Find 5 divided by 3 integer 4 upon 7. So first we can write 5 can be written as 5 upon 1 multiplied by reciprocal of 25 upon 7. That gives 5 upon 1 into 7 upon 25. That is 5 into 7 upon 1 into 25. That gives 7 upon 5 equal to 1 integer 2 upon 5. Question number 2. Find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. Classify the reciprocals as proper fractions, improper fractions and whole numbers. Our first question is 3 upon 7. Can you say the reciprocal of 3 upon 7? We have to just interchange the numerator and the denominator. So, the reciprocal of 3 by 7 is 7 upon 3. See here, the reciprocal 7 upon 3, the numerator is greater than the denominator, so it is an improper fraction. Next question, 12 upon 7. So the reciprocal is 7 upon 12, which is a proper fraction. Next question, 1 upon 8. The reciprocal of 1 upon 8 is 8 upon 1, that equal to 8, which is a whole number. Next, question number 3. Find 4 by 9 divided by 5. 4 by 9 divided by 5 equal to 4 by 9 divided by 5 upon 1. What is the rule of division of fraction? We can find the reciprocal of 5 upon 1 and multiply it with 4 upon 9. That gives 4 upon 9 multiplied by 1 upon 5 equal to 4 into 1 upon 9 into 5 equal to 4 upon 45. Our next question, 4 integer 3 by 7 divided by 7. Here in the first step itself, we can convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction and the whole number 7 can be written as 7 upon 1. That is 31 upon 7 multiplied by the reciprocal of 7 upon 1 equal to 31 upon 7 multiplied by 1 upon 7 equal to 31 into 1 whole divided by 7 into 7 equal to 31 upon 49. Next, question number 4. Find 4 upon 9 divided by 2 upon 3. That gives 4 upon 9 multiplied by the reciprocal of 2 upon 3, that is 3 upon 2. That is 4 into 3 upon 9 into 2. After cancelling, we will get 2 upon 3. The next question number 7. 3 integer 1 by 5 divided by 1 integer 2 by 3. Both are mixed fraction, that is a mixed fraction divided by another mixed fraction. So first we can convert both into improper fractions, then find the reciprocal of the fraction and multiply it with the first fraction. 16 upon 5 divided by 5 by 3 equal to 16 upon 5 multiplied by 3 upon 5, which is the reciprocal of 5 by 3, equal to 16 into 3 whole divided by 5 into 5, equal to 48 upon 25. We can convert it into mixed fraction, that gives 1 integer 23 upon 25. Now sums are given for practice, that is from exercise 2.3 and 2.4. Please try to find the answers and the solution will give in the next class.